Hello everyone, my name is Vishal Chopra and I am the fund manager of UTI India Consumer Fund. Today I am going to give you a monthly update on the fund. UTI India Consumer Fund invests in companies going to benefit from the growth in domestic consumption. The fund invests in B2C sectors like FMCG, retail, consumer durables, telecom, auto, retail banks and NBFCs, domestic pharma and healthcare, hotels, airlines. The fund will not invest in B2B oriented sectors or export oriented companies. The per capita income of our country is expected to increase as the working age population of our country is increasing. Growth in per capita income will lead to good consumption growth. Penetration level across most consumption categories remain fairly low, and even in few categories where penetration levels are relatively higher, per capita consumption and premiumization offer good growth opportunities. Unorganized to organized shift continues to happen across most consumption categories. The fund follows bottom-up stock picking approach with focus on cash flow generation and embedded growth expectation in current valuations. Consumer sector is the largest sector in the fund and also in the benchmark. Within the consumer sector, we are overweight on consumer discretionary and underweight on consumer staples. Consumer discretionary, we believe, offers long-term growth potential over consumer staples as penetration levels in most discretionary categories in our country remain low. Although in the near term, consumer discretionary is going to get more impacted due to this ongoing lockdown. But we expect as normalcy resumes, consumer discretionary growth to bounce back. Hence, we remain positive on consumer discretionary. Auto is the second largest sector in the fund and also in the benchmark. Within the auto space, in four-wheelers, we have exposure to the largest four-wheeler manufacturing of the country. In the two-wheeler space, we are playing the theme of premiumization as we believe penetration levels are relatively higher in two-wheeler compared to four-wheeler. The auto sector, which was going through a downturn for last 1.5 2 years, was expected to recover in the ongoing year after the transition from BS4 to BS6. Though that recovery has been little bit postponed again due to the ongoing lockdown, and we expect recovery to resume as things normalize. Telecom is the third biggest sector in the fund, and we remain positive on the sector as we expect good free cash flow generation from the sector, with ARPUs going up, with all the three big players taking price hikes, competitive intensity in the sector is reducing, and also capex intensity has peaked out. The other big sector in the fund is financial services. Financial services is not part of the benchmark, but we believe is a big part of the consumption theme. Hence, we have around 8% weight in the financial services sector, and we'll look to increase it further as valuations are more favorable. As per our scheme information document, we can go up to 20% in any of the sectors which are not part of the benchmark. Thank you, everyone. This was the update I wanted to give you this month.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.